Hi everyone, welcome to our page or account named as Campus 2 Company account. This account is coming with specific ideas which motivates students to launch a business with zero money. You can start a business without any money. Please just have a courage only. Stop waiting for the Lord. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The time that is only yours is this time. So, if you are a university student especially with a business idea, this channel has a message for you. If you are tired of waiting and you believe your idea is greater than your empty wallet or account, hit that follow button and join our account for more and detailed motivational informations. Thanks. Dream big, start now is our leading slogan.